Hello, good morning. Let's go into the Google Cloud Platform. It's another lab. Today we're going to use the translation API. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to check here API and services, library, translation API. Translation, it's enabled. Yeah, it's right enabled. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to deploy uh, a Docker image file. Then I'm going to run a web application that uses the translation API. So here I'm going to clone my project. Okay, ls cd gcp. Okay, ls. I am. Let me just check with where I am. I'm gonna have to get some file that's missing on my translation project. Yeah, okay, let's commit everything that was missing. We're going to pull everything. I was missing the Docker file. Okay. Git pull. Yeah, I have the Docker file there. Let's create an image. So docker build dot dash d gcr dot io slash. Let's get the project dd slash app translator. I'm gonna call it translator dash app. Takes a while. After you have to see this on the on our container registry. Uh, it's pulling everything. Let's leave here. Create my work tier. I cover everything there. I'm running Maven clean package. This is gonna take a little bit more time. I'm doing this on the fly. I also had forgot that I had a Docker file there. I just run that on local machine, and I just pushed to my repository. Let me show you the project. So here, in case I'm using my translation API, I use Google Translate this jar. So the dependencies are the group ID is conda.google.cloud. As you saw on the first import the job, after I used the Google Cloud Translate and HTTP client JSON. All everything rest is about Spring Boot and etc. Docker file is pretty simple. Let's be back there. Yeah, successfully built it. Add a build. Last step. Okay, so in fill we have to see that here. container registry. I have, sorry, Docker image, Docker push. Sorry for that. I had really forgotten. Now you have to see that on the container registry. So what's going on? At least you know what you're doing. That's better. Layer exists. Come on, man. So here you go. Now you're going to run that on Cloud Run. Create a service. Let's select. You see there is app. I was running App Engine before, and it is a flexible environment, so you have we don't gotta leave for that. And authenticate and invocations. Let's show advanced options. Maybe I have to set a variable environment. I'm just going to check very fast on my project. Maybe there is a envvar. Maybe it's pretty simple thing. Let's put a default port. Let's put 80. Let's leave that. Let's see if there's another variable. No, there's none. Maybe I missed something, but about the project TD. I'm gonna try to create it. I'm just remember something. I'm just reading the poem right now. You can see the logs. Let's click here, go to login. Just better view. Let's click on this. I didn't put so much memory, so that can fail because of memory. I just want to run that and show you how to use this translation API. Metrics. Nothing yet, of course. CPU utilization. Now nothing is running yet. A bit of patience. Let's be back there. Come on, I want to see my deep. We're down to streaming logs. This is gonna be our URL. Yeah. All we know, let's wait it. Two minutes already. Actually, what can we do? It's not displaying anything here. Let's check. The same. Oh, yeah. Patiency. 3 minutes already. Come on. There you go, the spring boot. My banner. We are on 49 now. It's 48 logs. Come on. Start application. Let's see. The logs say that started. We're on 50 already, dude. Come on. He's preparing the endpoint. No new logs. This is the startup. OMG. These YAML files were just generated. Kind Cersei. Logs are the same. Revision. Waiting for container to become healthy. Let's wait 5 minutes. OMG. There's no newer logs. Okay. I thought it was faster. Uh-huh. URLs loading. Just creating the endpoint. Oh my god. No newer logs. So all the logs I have, I exported to BigQuery. Failure to start. Let's deploy. Failure to listen to the port environment. Let's apply new version. Let's change the mega to giga. The full port. Let's put 8080. Let's deploy and check again. They start up, all the logins were fine. Let's see if it's gonna deploy it correctly. Let's see new logs. Put more memory. Here you go. Let's see our API. First, let's go to BigQuery 2. Swagger.UI.html. So let's go to a translator controller. We're gonna check all languages enabled on Google for us. This is all the languages. For example, let's go to PL. Polish is PL. So let's translate something. Try out. Source language. I want English, so EN. Destination PL Polish. Good morning. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry. So this is how simple it is to work with translation API. I showed the dependencies you must use. I just deployed this as a REST API because it's going to be useful on the test in a web page that we're going to use. Is going to translate things on the fly without using the translate.google.com. You can have a service that does that. And also we're going to use a part of the Google that recognizes which language you're talking to, you're writing it itself. You recognize the language. So that's how simple it is to use the translation API. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.